Good evening, everyone. Anthony Wall Street Trader, 6:28 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's Monday, November 15th, 2021. Let's go straight into the fact that this isn't financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified. Thumbs up, share the video. Here to talk about the greatness of the graph, GRT. Also, Twitter link below in the description if you want to just click on that. It's a little easier than having to type that whole thing out. In the meantime, let's look over at graph US dollar. We're almost back all the way down. We started breaking through nicely, but we're back under this thing here. I have a feeling we're going to wind up, we still have a reasonable area of support at $1. We're a few percentage points away from that. So we're at $1.02, spot 8. Let's go take a look. Now, this is the kind of floor of support. Resistance now looking like roughly around here. It's going to be a little hard to get through, but $1.18 looks like the area of resistance at this point. Graph relative to Bitcoin is holding on to a prayer here. We got to see what happens. I think overall this might bounce here and get us back to 1818, but we're going to just monitor this. We still have overall higher lows, so it doesn't have to, the line can be moved a little bit to a point. We just can't take our higher low and go below the previous higher low. So right now looking pretty well on the graph to Bitcoin, although we're kind of in a spot that is a little concerning because we don't want to go too low. We can't look like this. This is roughly around where we want to be. So anyway, let's go over to Bitcoin right now, looking like we have a reasonable support line here. Which is roughly around low 63s. We're at 63,700 right now. If we do break this low 63s, we could be in for a bounce at the 62 area, just because we have this rectangular area which has been building out over time. So we're going to continue to monitor that. We did have a nice little rally yesterday up to 66,000 and change. So more to come, a little more than that. So we'll see how this plays out. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance, really just moving money around from one altcoin to the other, but overall net flat on altcoin cap market. So, this is just volatility, but overall, this just means we're going sideways. So I wouldn't be overly concerned if you're an altcoin holder, but this is just shaking out certain altcoins over in favor of others, and that's how the cookie crumbles. But at the same time, this doesn't mean altcoins are in bad shape. It just means just a little volatile. In the meantime, graph